म्हणजे आपल्या आसपासची बातमी असेल आपणा सर्वांसाठीची। आपण पाहत आहात 7 मराठी न्यूज।
या बातमीपत्राचे प्रायोजक आहेत JK सुपर डिजिटल स्टुडिओ, व्हिडिओग्राफी आणि फोटोग्राफीच्या दुनियेतील एक विश्वसनीय नाव।
And Engineering from Bangalore University. Since 2022 as chairperson of NSRCL, Dr. Jha has led one of India's most vibrant startup incubators. On this 3rd of February 2026, transformative teaching, impactful institution building, and her deep commitment to nurturing India's next generation of entrepreneurs, and the MIT World Peace University Pune is honored to bestow the Bharat Asmita Jana Jagran Shrestha Puraskar, the best use of acting, on Dr. Mohan Agashi. Bharat Asmita Jana Jagran Shrestha Puraskar being conferred on Padma Vibhushan Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab.
Bharat Asmita Award. I'm grateful to all the trustees, members, especially Param Adarniya Dr. Vishwanath Karad ji and Param Adarniya Dr. Kashalkar ji and Dr. Rahul ji and all the trustees and the members of the selection committee. म्यूजिक हम लोग कहते हैं स्वर ही ईश्वर है। म्यूजिक कनेक्ट्स अस टू गॉड। My relationship with my audience is not through the words, only sound. हमारे पिताजी हमें स्कूल भेजना नहीं चाहते थे। उन्होंने कहा बेटा एक जीवन में आप एक ही काम कर सकते हो, या स्वर को समझ लो या किताब को समझ लो, दो काम एक साथ नहीं हो सकते। लेकिन अब किताबी म्यूजिशियंस भी हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड म्यूजिकोलॉजिस्ट, they are BA in music, MA in music, PhD in music, but our life is committed to God, our life is committed to the Guru. गुरु से आप ये नहीं पूछ सकते थे कल क्या होगा, गुरु को समर्पित होना पड़ता था। आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ द ओल्ड जनरेशन। माय फादर who received Padma Bhushan in 1960 when he met Dr. Rajendra Prasad. While receiving the award, Dr. Rajendra Prasad asked my father, खान साहब क्या तकलीफ है आपको? तकलीफ बहुत थी, हम लोग किराए के घर में रहते थे, गाड़ी नहीं थी। तो कलाकार को जब कोई पूछेगा, कलाकार कहता है गाड़ी दे दो, सरकारी घर दे दो। हमारे पिताजी ने कहा राग दरबारी की प्योरिटी बचाइए। As a young boy, I was feeling very embarrassed कि क्या कह रहे हैं ये। राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी द फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया कहते खालसा में समझा नहीं, कहते ये राग मियां तानसेन ने बनाया था, इसमें लोग बड़ी लिबर्टी ले रहे हैं और ये राग हिंदुस्तान से चला जाएगा, आपकी ड्यूटी है, आप प्रेसिडेंट हो। ही वॉज होपिंग एज इफ ही पास ए रेजोल्यूशन इन द पार्लियामेंट नेक्स्ट डे क्या सब लोग दरबारी ऐसे गाना। इतने सीधे लोग थे, इतने कमिटेड थे, वन ट्रैक माइंड। उसके बाद राजेंद्र प्रसाद जी घबरा गए, कहते खान साहब ये मैं करूंगा और सेवा बताइए मेरे लिए। कहते हैं मेरी नमाज का वक्त हो गया, मैं घर जा रहा हूँ। ही वॉज नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द प्रोटोकॉल दैट यू कैन लीव बिफोर द प्रेसिडेंट। वो चल पड़े, मैं उनके पीछे पीछे, और कोई सिक्योरिटी वाले ने उनको रोका भी नहीं। तो आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट आई हैड फादर लाइक दैट, गुरु लाइक दैट, एंड दिस ग्रेट अवार्ड I would like to offer at the feet of my Guru, my mother, my father, Ustad Hafiz Ali Khan Sahab. Music has connected the world. Music does not belong to any religion. Like flowers, air, water, fire, fragrance, colors, they don't belong to any religion. And our family, we feel we belong to every religion of the world. I feel I belong to every religion of India because every Indian, every region nurtured me, encouraged me when I was 12 years old. बहुत सेवा करी महाराष्ट्र, बंगाल, सारे प्रांतों की, और Amjad Ali Khan is created by the people of India. It's my great honor, my great pleasure. Thank you so much.
All those who are responsible for me to be here. I am obliged not only to the visionaries like Kiran and Mashelkar, but I am also indebted to my late parents, my late brother, and my sister, because of whom I was able to do what has been shown. I had to resort to acting in theatre and films because I was not as intelligent as Dr. Mashelkar or Dr. Kiranis. So I had to search for alternate source of learning. And what I learned today, I find it in words when I came to MIT, that religion is meaningless without science, and science is meaningless without religion. The film I did, which said, Jnana Ajnani Ale, Ajnana Jnani Zale.
Good evening to all. I'm really happy and humbled to receive the Bharat Asmita Award. Frankly speaking, I was telling Rahulji, I was a bit wary of awards. Generally, I never went to any stage to receive any award, but thanks to my colleagues from Maharashtra, I'm here. I'm really happy to be here in this dais. I would like to thank Professor Vishwanath Karajji for a great vision. Generally, we think education is only study and get a degree. It's very happy to see a university's commitment to democratic values, secularism and peace. And I also congratulate Rahulji to carry forward his father's vision. I also would like to thank the selection committee chairman, Mashelkarji, for selecting me for this award. This place is a very emotional place for me. This is where, after the Quit India movement, August 9th, Gandhiji was jailed in Aga Khan Palace. Entire then Congress working committee, including Jawaharlal Nehruji, Abdul Kalam Azad ji, and all other Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji, Acharya Kripalani ji, entire Congress working committee was jailed in the Ahmednagar port. Whenever I am coming here, I used to visit those places. We don't need to say Veramada jail, the Pune Pact has happened. So the very values people like me trying to uphold in this new India. So my commitment to politics is my commitment to the values of the same values, peace, secularism and harmony in this country. I'm really great to see all the young people here. I just would like to make only one sentence. What actually defines us in our life is not our caste, not our religion, not our gender, but the values which we uphold. That's what I learned from my mother, late mother, and my leader Rahulji. I had an opportunity to walk with him from Kashmir to Kanyakumari Bharat Jodo Yatra. The what I have seen make me very humble. So such a diverse country. We are committed to uphold the diversity and uphold our value system in any situation. We actually happy to see all the young people. I have come across many young people as a MP, as someone who used to interact with students. They are all in a very different way. They are actually try to uphold their value system and commitment to this country. I once again thank you so much.
We conferred the Bharat Asmita Acharya Shrestha 2026 award by MIT World Peace University. I would like to thank the university's leadership, particularly Professor Dr. Vishwanath Karajji, Dr. Rahul Karajji, and of course the chairperson of the selection committee, Dr. Mashelkar, for this honor. It is especially special to receive this particular honor in a place that places so much emphasis on well-rounded education, peace and values. I would also like to say that this award is not about individual accomplishment. It does not speak about my individual accomplishment, but this is a reflection of the curiosity and questioning of the students I teach, the passion and perseverance of the entrepreneurs that I work with, and the high caliber of the colleagues that I have the good fortune of working with. From all of them, I have received more than I have given. I'd also like to thank my mentors, my family, and my friends for their constant belief and support.
For academician like you appreciating this very thought, which was long back criticized by various political science faculties, that कि राजनेताओं को पढ़ाने के लिए ऐसा कोई ट्रेनिंग देके राजनीति नहीं सीखी जाती। तो मैं इतना ही बोलता था कि जो पढ़े लिखे राजनेताओं को अगर एक पॉलिटिक्स की अगर शिक्षा दी, एजुकेशन दिया, तो उसमें एडिशन ही होगा। तो गुड गवर्नेंस की बात, तो एक MBA ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इस तरीके से ये पर्टिकुलर MIT स्कूल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट आगे आया। बच्चों, आप सब जानते हैं भारतीय छात्र संसद, नेशनल लेजिस्लेटिव कॉन्फ्रेंस, वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट बिगेस्ट democracy festival happened some 2.5 years back in Mumbai, my dear friends, where some 1800 MLAs across the country, for the first time in the independent history of the country, our political science school, our law school, our school of economics and school of government, they all worked very hard to establish this very platform of National Legislators Conference. And now we are giving training and capacity building program for our lawmakers also. So Madam Jyotimani ji, your interest, I want to draw your attention that this, the world peace also, sometime when we initiated this very name of the university, world peace, people say, "Ye koi fashion," because the very ethos on the history goes long back when my father, our founder, was Amjad Ali Khan Sahab. He was just 10, 12 years old, when he was in the village, and there were Hindu-Muslim, some conflicts, Nizam period in Hyderabad. And that's how that time some Hindus came to kill Muslims and Muslims came to kill Hindus. So my grandfather protected some 100 Muslims in my house. So that is the DNA of this organization, the World Peace Mission, and the secular structure of this country. So coming together, working together, my dear students. So please understand, and this is really a day to carry this message. On this very, just now we paid our tribute to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister also, but today is the Founders Day, my dear friends. Our founders' birthday we celebrate in a very unique fashion, and this is the 22nd award ceremony which is happening. Once again, Dr. Mashelkar sir, you blessing this thought process of Bharat Asmita National Award, MIT School of Government, and all the time Amjad Ali Khan Sahab in my life, after my father, the people who supported, two people, one is Shri T.N. Seshanji, who is no more, and Dr. Mashelkar.
Is one word which I normally use, और संत ज्ञानेश्वर टू आइंस्टाइन, ये जो भाषा है राम रहीम सेतु की भाषा है। पद्मश्री शंकर बापू अपेगावकर के मुख से ये संगीत की साधना से ईश्वर दर्शन की भाषा हो, ये मेरी भाषा नहीं है भाई, लेकिन ईश्वर की कृपा है। मेरे बड़े भाई यहाँ बैठे हैं स्टेज पर पहली बार। एक ध्यान में रखना कि तुम्हारी हमारी ये जो मुलाकात है, मशेलकर सर के बारे में मैं जो बोला कि he has got and he has been conferred with 54 PhDs from the whole world, the record, उनके लिए तालियां बजाए भैया, उनके लिए कि ये बड़ा सौभाग्य है। आगाशे साहब हो, हमारी बहन जी हो, हमारे अमजद अली खान साहब हो, सारे जो लोग बैठे हैं ये बड़ी हस्तियां हैं, लेकिन उनका बचपन जो है उनके माँ बाप के आशीर्वाद से बना है।
I am known as a dangerous optimist, दुर्गम में आशावादी। 15 years down the line, all of us will be here to celebrate your centenary. That is my wish and my prayer. The awards we confer today carry a powerful word in their name, Asmita, as Rahul was mentioning. Asmita is not pride in position. Asmita is pride in purpose. It is a quiet confidence that comes from doing one's duty with conscience and commitment,
And that is exactly what our 4 extraordinary awardees represent. And again I repeat, by honoring them, we are honoring ourselves.